This looks interesting. Firearm system here is certainly interesting. Wonder what this is. This, oh, what the hell? Rare fixtures. Casper. Door close works. Here's a cab. Ah, God. Rare fixtures. Non-ADA phone on this one. Okay. Oh, it's got bumpers. Hold on. They work. There it goes. And that's it.